Okay. This is to be practice session. I will ask question. You will give the answer. What is your name?
My name is Rozana.
How old are you?
I am 15 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in Bachon.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat snacks in the breakfast.
Do you drink tea or milk?
I drink milk.
What is your favorite? What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is white.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is tarike.
Do you have a brother?
Yes, I have a brother.
Do you have a sister?
Yes, I have a sister.
What is your father name?
My father name is Mr. Shuru.
What is your mother name?
My mother name is Mrs. Rahe.
Do you go to school or college?
I go to school.
How do you come to class?
I come to class on foot.
Do you have a phone?
No, I have a phone.
No, I don't have a.
phone.
What color is your bag?
My bag is blue.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Manisha Brajava.
Do you like cricket?
Yes, I like cricket.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV.
उम्मीद है ये समझ में आया होगा. इसको आपसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करना है.